In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWAP Auto Anchored quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to get set up fast, even if you're brand new to Tradingview. First, make sure you've got your chart open in Tradingview for the stock, crypto, or market you want to analyze. Once your chart is on the screen, we're going to head straight to the indicators menu. You'll usually find this at the top of the platform, labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that to open the indicator search window. Inside this search window, there's a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in VWAP. Take a moment to spell it correctly, just VWAP in all caps. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list and show you all the indicators related to VWAP. Now, from the results, look for VWAP Auto Anchored. There can be several VWAP options, like the standard VWAP or community scripts, so make sure you select the one that specifically says Auto Anchored. This version automatically chooses logical anchor points based on price action, which saves you a lot of time compared to manually re-anchoring every time the market shifts. Once you see VWAP Auto Anchored in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you click, Tradingview will add it directly to your chart. You should now see the VWAP lines appear over your price candles. If your chart looks cluttered or you're not sure what changed, you can turn the indicator on and off by opening the indicator list icon at the top of the chart and checking or unchecking it there. That's a quick way to confirm it's been added successfully. If you want to customize the look, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart, click the settings icon, and adjust colors, line thickness, or visibility on different timeframes. This is optional, but it can make the VWAP much easier to see with your personal chart style. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced features and have a smoother experience with indicators like Auto Anchored VWAP, check out the affiliate link in the description for Tradingview Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to more tools, more alerts, and better performance while you trade or backtest. That's all you need to quickly add VWAP Auto Anchored to your chart and start using it in your analysis.